Replacing mass airflow sensor. 2005 Saturn relay. This is the new one. Nice and clean. Okay. Here's the old one. You can see it's dirty, but the main thing is there's a little crack actually on that little glass thing in there. You see that crack? Not sure what caused that, but it's causing the check engine light to go off, and a few times it'll just conk off, but it will restart. So this is pretty simple. You just pull that out right by the air filter, a few screws, and then so now it's in there, the new one. Now we got to put the screws in right here. If I can do this, almost anybody. I called around because I actually wanted somebody else to do it for me, but the prices are so ridiculous. Like even one place wanted $500 for it. Some as low as $100, which isn't too bad, but I can do this myself. Anybody can, with a little time, patience. They also say you should pull the ECU fuse. Pull the ECU fuse to reset the check engine light, and it'll help the engine reconfigure the settings.